This color is cute and also built in. Ooh, Snapchat filters. There are other filters on here too. We're finally looking at the Samsung A72. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. So like I said, we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy A72 finally. In this video, my initial reactions about this phone and a quick camera tour. Without further ado, let's get to it. So first off, I have to point out this really pretty purple. I love the matte look. Really quickly though, let's look at the specs in this montage. With a 6.7-inch screen, this phone isn't tiny. Matte plastic back makes it look fresh though, and they were able to pull it off without looking cheap. Also interesting is the color job on the camera module, which makes the phone look like it has a skin on it. Either way, it's a cute phone, which is funny because it's a huge phone. It's a cute, huge phone. On the side, we have a volume rocker and a power button. At the bottom, your speakers, USB-C port, and audio jack. Up top, 2 SIM slots, one of them convertible to micro SD. Up front, that's an AMOLED screen complete with always-on display. The screen looks nice and bright in true Samsung fashion, and did I already say it's huge? I really still feel like this is a huge phone, but nonetheless, purple is always a good look. Now, let's get on to the camera tour. Hey, let's start with the rear camera. So as we can see, well, aside from the fact that my mirror is dirty, there is a wide 1x, 3x, up. Ooh, do you see that change? And then we can zoom up until 30x. And then here you can see the scene optimizer, and with that turned on, it detects that there's a person, tis I, on the screen. Up here we have different settings, flash settings, we have timer settings, size settings, and what's this? Motion photo on, and finally you have different filters. You have my filters, always a cool feature. Basically, you can pick out a specific photo and then apply the filters in that photo to whatever photo you're taking. So it's pretty cool, very useful, especially for if you're curating an Instagram feed or something like that. And then finally, face. So there is a beauty mode on here, and you can toggle intensity here. On the right side, we have the video mode. So we have wide, 1x, 3x, and guys, I promise to clean my mirror soon, okay? And then we have 4x, 10x, ooh, 12x. Now up here we have settings, flash settings. We have super steady mode on. It did widen up a little bit, but as you can see, it's a little grainy. That's how super steady mode usually works. You need like really great lighting. We have size over here, and finally you can shoot in HD 30 FPS, full HD 30 FPS, full HD 60 FPS, and finally Ultra HD in 30 FPS. You also have filters for video, the same My Filters option, and beauty mode live on video. Under more, we have AR Doodle, which is a really fun feature. If I do a crown, I'm literally drawing on air, but now I'm wearing that crown. There is a pro mode that allows you to, well, control all the settings and take photos. There is a panorama mode, a dedicated food mode, a night mode. So this can do 10x and 1x. There is a macro mode, hold your camera 3 to 5 centimeters away. There is a portrait mode, and you can toggle the background blur's intensity. There's also pro video mode, nice for mobile videographers. A super slow-mo, a normal slow-mo, and a hyperlapse mode. Let's move on to the other side. So there is a single take mode, which basically shoots like a short video. So this is an example. I should be moving around, but Yeah. After that, the AI picks and chooses the best shots from that short clip. So basically, it gives you edited stylized version. So as you can see, there's a black and white one. This one has a filter on it. This one is a GIF. Wait, it's a video. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, especially if you are not sure of how to capture a moment. This might help. And finally, there's a fun mode. What? Wait. So these are basically, oh my god, I became a guy. Yeah, Snapchat filters built into the camera app. So it says here by Snapchat. So you have wide, 1x. What is this? I can't focus. Yeah, 3x, and then wait, does it say? Keep on laughing, sorry. Yeah, you can do up until 30x. Oh, you have other cute stuff on here as well. So this is pretty cool. I've never seen this before, or have I just not been paying attention to this? Let me know if this is a new thing or if you've already had this on your Samsung phone. Snapchat filters, man. I love that. Oh, and there are other filters on here too. Nice. I mean, guys, let's be honest. If there's one thing I miss about Snapchat, it really is the filters. They had like the best filters. I mean, even this makes me look cute, I think. Selfie camera. Snapchat filters work on selfie cameras, and there's also a wide. Nice. And then on single take, that's also available on selfie. You have photo. You can do a wider shot or this normal shot. You have settings, flash settings, timer settings. So also on Samsung phones, you can. If you're a selfie taker like me, you can also find other shooting methods. So for example, you can do voice commands or this floating shutter button. So for voice commands, all you need to do, capture. You see that? And there's also this floating shutter button, which is pretty useful because, as I've said, this is a big phone. So let's say I'm holding this phone out like that. I can just move this button here and take the photo from up here. Now this also has motion photos and different filters, of course. My filters option still available, and beauty mode. Now on the right side, there is another video mode, and this can do up until Ultra HD 30. Nice. And finally, we have the stuff that we've already looked at earlier. And that was our quick camera tour. Quick disclaimer, this version I have right now is not the retail version, but I couldn't possibly end this video without showing you some sample shots just so you get an idea of how these cameras perform. That was our first look at the Samsung A72. Definitely one cute phone. Of course, it's just my first look and initial impression, so let me know if you guys have questions down in the comment section below. As for details on pricing and availability, I'll also link everything I know in the description box. If you want to see how I use tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, I answer your questions on TikTok, so I'll see you there. That's it for today. See you next time.